Alright, YouTube, what's up? Ben, I got bored, summer stuff, just got out of school, exams sucked, and I used to be on YouTube a whole lot, and I decided to get off, but I decided to get back on again, and this is kind of a crappy video, kind of explaining what I'm here to do, just kind of, I don't know, sometimes it'll be funny, I might upload some music, I don't really know yet what it's going to be like, but it's just a regular guy doing some YouTube stuff in his downtime, so maybe we'll have some fun. Alright, I'm gonna stop wasting your time. So, yeah, and the guys I'm subscribed to and friends with, guys like my friends or people I really like the videos, you should check them out. They're really good. I mean, like, guys like Shane Dawson or William Johnson or Live Lava Live or my friend Curtis or Matt. They're all great YouTubers, and I hope you like them someday. And I hope you guys check them out and have fun. So, yeah, I will try to figure out how to stop recording.